How to use Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll provide you the complete beginner's guide on how you can use Instagram. Basically, if you open up Instagram application, you shall get an interface somewhat like this, your login page. You can simply type in your email and password, or you can create new account as well. In my case, I'll just log in by tapping in here, that with my saved account. Now once you log in here, you shall get an interface like this here on the screen that you can see. Now you can search. You can use the search option at the bottom of the screen. You can see home option, search bar, and plus icon, and reels icon, and the profile icon. If you want to view your profile, you want to simply tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to view your profile. If you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to edit your profile details here. Similarly, if you tap on share profile, you'll be able to share your profile with others, and down below you'll be able to see your post here on profile grid. On here reels grid, you'll be able to see your reels. Here you'll be able to see your saved post, and here you'll be able to see photos and videos of you that you have been tagged in. Now similarly, if you head into reels section here, you'll be able to view the reels, and if you tap on plus icon at the bottom of the screen here, you'll be able to add your post, story, reels, and you'll be able to go live as well through here. Similarly, if you head into search bar here, you'll be able to search for any sorts of users. If you want to search in for users, if you want to search in for particular reels, music, you'll be able to search in through here. Similarly, at the home option, you'll be able to see the post here, your profile feed. Similarly, now if you want to follow someone, if you tap on the profile and if you tap on them, you'll be able to see the following option here. If I just unfollow this user here, you can see I'll get the follow option. You can simply follow them and you can message and email them. Now if you want to see chats and if you want to start up a chat, you can simply tap on chat icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to add a chat as well. So these are the basics of using Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.